So a pumpkin is something that we all see, especially at Halloween. It's really hard to find a nice round pumpkin. This one's got pretty good shape on it. This has decay starting on it, which means that you're not going to be able to hold it very long. And you're going to end up with a bit of a mess here by the time Halloween comes around. So this is something to avoid if you're looking at pumpkins. You want to make sure that they're dry, that they're not in the sun, and that they're relatively cool. You don't want to keep it outside until you're ready to cut it and display it. And if you want to keep it for several months so that you can use it over the winter time for pie, you want to keep it in a relatively cool place and definitely out of the light. These are all members of the pumpkin family, but they can be used both as ornamental and for cooking. So this would be a type of pumpkin. They're specifically bred for a strong full orange color, and now they're more striped type, more interesting color for some people because it's not orange. This is actually a type of Hubbard squash, but it's perfectly okay to eat if you can get inside it. These tend to be very hard shelled. And this is called a turpin squash because of that unique bottom piece on it. It's a type of winter squash. This type of squash often is used for a vegetable or used for the traditional pumpkin pie type puree. For these guys, what you're really looking for is what type of shape do you want? Is it nice and round, if that's what your desire is? And you want to make sure that there's no decay on these, because when you have any kind of decay on these things, it will get worse as it sits in your house and it will start to smell. Have a happy fall and a happy Halloween.